Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Brianna and I make health, beauty, and lifestyle videos to inspire and motivate women like myself. Today I'm showing you my underarm skincare routine, and I'm starting off by washing them with my turmeric bar soap. I got this from Kannie's Kosmetics, but there are other places that sell it as well. The turmeric, and I believe it has cinnamon as well, and the bar soap will brighten your skin over time. And I've been using it for a while now, and I can see a little bit of a difference, but it's not like super dramatic. And I'm making sure that I let it sit for a second just so it can get into my skin. And then I am rinsing it off. I usually do this step in the shower, but for recording purposes, I just did it outside. As you can see, my underarms are still not perfect, but I am working on them, and I have been seeing some improvements over the last few months. And when I'm done, I am patting dry. You don't want to rub because your skin is sensitive and you don't want to be too rough, and you don't want to over dry your skin. Now for the moisturization, I am starting off with this witch hazel, and it also has rose petal, I think rose water in it. I am moisturizing with my sweet almond oil. And lastly, I'm using my aluminum-free deodorant by Kopari. The first step is to use the witch hazel, and this is a toner. It's gonna make sure that your skin is even, like your skin tone is even, and I believe it also moisturizes your skin. And the reason why my skin might look a little irritated is because I think when my hair grows back from shaving, it kind of irritates my skin, so I have to like keep it shaved. And as you can see, I'm patting the product into my skin. After that dries, I'm going to be adding my sweet almond oil just for some extra moisturization. I also use this on my face and my bikini area. And lastly, I'm using my kopari deodorant. This has been such a good switch for me. My skin does not feel weighed down. It doesn't there's no residue or anything. It has coconut oil in it. It's aluminum free, and you don't have to worry about anything. It smells really good. And this is what my underarms look like after completing all of the steps. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.